You've seen the flashy stadiums and heard the hype, but do host cities actually make money from hosting big events? The answer might surprise you. Fans often assume that when a city hosts a major event like the Olympics or a global sports tournament, they're rolling in profits. But here's the catch. Those profits are usually just an illusion. While fans get dazzled by the spectacle, the reality is far more complex, and sometimes even costly for the host cities. Behind the curtain of these high-profile events, there's a massive price tag that most fans never see. We're talking about billions spent on infrastructure upgrades, like building or renovating stadiums, roads.
Cities often take on massive debt for events like the Olympics or World's Fairs, expecting a financial windfall, but the reality is far more complex. These projects come with long-term financial burdens that can outlast the event itself. But while cities bear the costs, who actually walks away with the profits? It's not the host city, it's corporate sponsors, developers, and temporary workers. These groups often see financial gains or career boosts, while the city is left footing the bill for decades to come. Let's take a look at one of the most recent examples, Comic-Con in San Diego. The event draws thousands of fans, filling streets with cosplayers, and selling out panels. But behind the scenes the city spends. These projects come with long-term financial burdens that can outlast the event itself. But it doesn't have to be this way. Cities can learn from past mistakes and adopt smarter, more sustainable models for hosting events. For example, partnering with community organizations, or focusing on long-term infrastructure benefits rather than short-term profits. By doing so, they can mitigate losses and ensure that the excitement of big events actually translates into lasting value for everyone, not just a few lucky players. If this video shocked you about how event hosting works, share it with someone who thinks hosting events is a goldmine. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more eye-opening